As you probably know, many countries are starting to struggle with an aging population. More people are living to an older age, but there isn't enough people to look after them. However, there appears to be a potential yet peculiar solution: robot companions. According to the Ministry of Civil Affairs, over 92 million adults in China live alone, which is over 6% of their population. And this number is expected to continue to increase along with the number of people who are lonely. However, Li Boyang, co-founder and CEO of X Robots, thinks he has a solution. At the World Robot Conference 2023 in Beijing, he explained that the reason he is so focused on creating companion robots for the elderly is because there's an obvious and direct demand for it. The engineers have utilized AI and have been training the robots on human movements. Along with recent advancements in artificial skin made from silicon and other petrochemicals, these improvements have made these robots look a lot more human, with fluid movement patterns and more natural face expressions, which enhances their ability to interact and engage with humans in a more intuitive manner. One of Boyang's goals is he wants the robots to be able to provide emotional support, acting as the role of a family member or friend, and it seems that he is getting closer. But it's not just older people who will benefit. There are also a lot of younger people struggling with loneliness and mental health issues. For example, in China, there are now over 20 million young adults between the ages of 20 and 39 living alone. There are various reasons for this. Some say it is too expensive to have a family, and some say there is too much pressure and would prefer to live alone. But as the Chinese government wants to stop the population from declining, it's possible that companion robots may become more commonplace. Helping out young and old alike, they can help people feel less lonely by providing companionship, help out with simple tasks, and may even alleviate some pressure which could lead to more young Chinese deciding to have a family. Humanoid robots will continue to improve, and this is certainly an interesting field to watch, though there are some questions around cost, accessibility, and safety. Stay tuned.